Who doesn't want a good paying job? Everyone wants it, right? But what if you're failing at the first step and you don't even know that you're failing at it? I mean, how sad is that? But don't worry, I've got your back. So the thing is, not many of us even know that it's the first step, and even the ones who do, they hardly do anything about it and seldom work upon it. No matter how many jobs you apply to, no matter how many platforms you are using, it's not going to take you through it if you don't rectify it then and there. Say for example, आपको एक job posting मिलती है and you see that there are thousands of applicants for that particular job, लेकिन hiring जो हो रही है वो सिर्फ 10 ही positions के लिए open है. Now what are you going to do? How are you going to make it through that cut, and how are you going to be amongst that 10% people? So yes, the answer is pretty simple and maybe all of us know it, but nobody works for it. So the first step would be CV screening. Yes. Also जो लोग end तक रुकेंगे उनके लिए एक bonus tip भी है. So guys, this is your golden chance to connect with me on LinkedIn, क्योंकि LinkedIn पे I post job openings every day. I'm not involved in those hirings, but the opportunities that I post are golden. So go there, connect with me on LinkedIn. I'll drop the link in the description box and let's get started with this video. So the first step is include relevant keywords. Now let's understand this with the help of an example. Say for example, there are two girls, Chutki and Indumati, who are applying for the same position. They're applying for the position of a front-end developer. Now what Chutki does is she has vaguely mentioned it on her resume that she is applying for the position of a front-end developer. And Indumati, on the other hand, what she does is she mentions it properly. Not just that, she mentions that she has made some projects about it, but that is not enough. What she does is she mentions the technologies that she used while working upon those projects. So she mentioned that she has worked upon HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and she even used platforms like Bootstrap and WordPress to make her projects. If we compare Chutki's resume and we compare Indumati's resume, we know for a fact that Indumati stands a better chance. So tip number 2 is making a personalized resume for every profile that you apply for. What Chutki did was, she applied for the position of a front-end developer, but she also mentioned that she worked as a business development intern in XYZ company. It's okay to mention it, but is it relevant to this profile? Does this make sense? No. So why mention it? Mention relevant information and discard the part that is not needed for this particular profile. So Chutki basically lost the edge here and Indumati is still winning. Tip number 3. So tip number 3 का idea आपको tip number 2 से ही लग गया होगा, that you have to include relevant information only. So the employer does not care about what your father's name is, what your mother's name is. They only care about why you are perfect for this role. टिप नंबर 4 इज प्रॉपर फॉर्मेटिंग. अब ये इतना इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं है जितने बाकी के फैक्टर्स थे, बट स्टिल दिस इज ऑफ इम्पॉर्टेंस. सो योर CV शुड बी इन अ वेरी रीडेबल फॉर्मेट. व्हेन you whatever you are writing on your CV, it should be readable, it should be comprehensible, and it should, whenever someone looks at it, they should be able to understand what it is that you have mentioned on your CV. Other than this, you should make proper headings and subheadings for whatever it is that you have done. So if you have some experience, give it a subheading and then mention the experiences that you have. Write proper name of the company and everything that you need to include. Thank you for watching this video, and for the ones जो अभी तक ये video देख रहे हैं, I have a bonus tip for you, which is whenever you submit your resume, it should be in a proper format. What I mean to say is that it should either be in PDF form or Word document. Don't send it as an image because it shows कि आप कितने unprofessional हो, and you're maybe not even serious about the role. So if you're doing something, do it properly. So if you like this video, like, share, subscribe and comment. Sayonara.